Good morning, class 1 students. Students, in today's class, I am going to explain chapter 2. Its name is what? Its name is At Home. So, students, all of you will take out your Open Sky book, page number 17, and be ready to understand this chapter. Okay? What is the name of your chapter? At Home. Seema, Rajiv and Vijay are friends. She is Seema. He is Rajiv. And he is Vijay. Okay? All three are friends. On Seema's birthday, she invites both Rajiv and Vijay at her home. At the day of her birthday, Seema invited her friends Rajiv and Vijay at her home. When both are come at Seema's home, Rajiv and Vijay, Seema takes them to show her room and different parts of her house. Seema welcomed both his friends and show her different parts of the house to both of them. Rajiv and Vijay leave Seema's house after dinner. When both are taking dinner after the cutting of her birthday cake with their Seema's house after dinner along with their father who have come to pick them up. Both parents are at the end of the party come to pick both of them. So move on to the main part of the chapter. Okay. Seema, hello Rajiv, welcome to my house. Seema welcome first Rajiv in her house. Rajiv is saying, what Rajiv is saying? He is saying, thanks Seema, I wish you happy birthday. Rajiv wish her happy birthday. Seema, thanks Rajiv. Please have a seat. Rajiv come and sit here. Vijay, hello Seema. Vijay is also saying, hello Seema, happy birthday to you. Vijay is also wishing to her. Seema, thanks Vijay. Seema is replying what? Thanks Vijay. Please take a seat. Come, I will show you my house. Seema is telling that both of you welcome and come. I will see my house to you. This is my room. I love my room. Rajiv is saying what? Yes, Seema. Your room is very beautiful. Vijay, it has been set beautifully. Set beautifully means what? All things are arranged properly. Vijay, it has, Seema takes them to the kitchen with her, where her mother is working. Seema takes both his friends Rajiv and Vijay to her kitchen where her mother is working. Seema's mother is working where? In the kitchen. Seema, Mom. Seema is saying, Mom, meet my friends. Meet my friends Rajiv and Vijay. I have invited them on my birthday. Mom, I have invited both of them on my birthday. Turn next page. Mother, that's good to hear. Very good, beta. Please make them sit. Beta, ask both of them to sit. After Seema has cut the birthday cake, this is the occasion of Seema's birthday. So, when she cut her birthday cake, her mother serves dinner to all the guests. Her mother serves dinner to all the guests. At night time, her mother will give both of them to take some eating food material. Everybody wishes Seema, happy birthday Seema, happy birthday Seema, happy birthday Seema in this way and gives her beautiful gifts. Seema's friends on her birthday give, after wishing happy birthday, give her some beautiful gifts. Rajiv and Vijay have their dinner and soon they leave Seema's house with their fathers. When Rajiv and Vijay finish the dinner party or birthday party of the Seema's, soon, immediately, they leave Seema's house. They say Seema, bye bye Seema, and they leave the house of Seema with their father. Okay, friends, I hope that all of you will understand this chapter very clearly. Kids, now take out your English copy and first on the top of your copy write today's date. What is today's date? 26 April 2021. Then write chapter 2 and its heading at home. After that, all of you will write heading what? New words. N-E-W, new, W-O-R-D-S. New words of this chapter. I am going to write one by one. All of you will write in your copy neatly. Okay, students? Invite. I-N-V-I-T-E. Invite. What is first word? Invite. I-N-V-I-T-E. Invite. Invite means what? Ask somebody to come one's house. Ask someone to come yours house. Means own's house. Next is different. What is the spelling? D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Different means what? Separate. Next. Next is leave. What is the spelling? L-E-A-V-E. Leave. To go away from a place. Leave means leave the place. To go away from the place. Just take example. I leave from here. That means what? Move away from the place. Next is dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. A meal taken in the evening. The food material that we will take in the evening. Okay. Next is pick. P-I-C-K. Pick. Pick means what? Take somebody with someone. Take somebody with someone. Means what? Take something from someone. Okay. Next is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Very nice. Very good. Next. Set. Set means what? All things arranged properly. Everything's arranged properly. Put properly. And last one is what? Serves. S-E-R-V-E-S. Serves. Serves means what? Gives somebody food to eat. Serves food. According to this chapter, serves food means give food to all invited person. Okay students, in this way all of you will no need to write meaning in your notebook. Only write the new words and learn the spelling of all these new words. I will repeat again. Invite. I-N-V-I-T-E. Invite. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. L-E-A-V-E. Leave. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. P-I-C-K. Pick. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. S-E-T. Set. S-E-R-V-E-S. Serves. Okay students? That's all.